So let's continue with our angel eye ring light for this little mill. I've got so like I think I mentioned the first time around, I cut the little regulator module off of this. And in fact, now I've cut it down to where I just have a little bit of wire left. I soldered the wires here and shortened this up so that everything will go down into this gland here that I'm using. When I installed this gland, I didn't have a lot of material left when I bored this hole and cut some threads in it for which are shoot, now I can't remember the thread pitch. It's a 1/2 inch 20, it seems like. But anyway, when I cut this down, I undercut this area here to accommodate these tabs on the ring light. So, and then I undercut back in that direction at about 15 degrees so that these tabs would snap this ring light into place. But so see, oh, and let's see, the gland I glued in with JB weld, and then I set the lampshade back up on the lathe, and I turned it flush with the inside of the lampshade. So I don't think it's going to go anywhere. But, so anyway, the idea here is this is going to go down inside the gland there. I'm going to backfill this with some silicone, and then I'm going to seal the inside and outside edges of this ring light with silicone as well, so that oil and things won't be able to get up in there to the connections and the wiring. That's the plan. So anyway, this is going to snap right down in there just like that. Like I say, then I'm gonna fill this and seal things with silicone, and we'll see how that works out. Now, I'm going to put the converter, the constant current brick into this enclosure, and then I'll have the power switch on the and then the power cord coming in, and the cord going out to the ring light. On the back side, that's probably need to zoom out a little more there. Let's see if I can manage this without shaking things up too much. You can see some of the mess. Okay, so this will mount up like this with the guts inside it, and the whole thing I'm going to mount over here on the column of the mill. So that's the way it's all going to work out. That's the plan. So I'll bring you back when I've got it all assembled. I'm gonna drill a couple of holes in this box. Still got to trim some wires here. I'm gonna go ahead and mount this up inside the box with a couple of screws, and I think, well, it won't hurt anything. It'll provide a little bit of a heat sink for the converter. And anyway, that's the plan. I'll be back. Okay, here I am back with everything mounted inside the box. So everything's going to go get stuff back in here. And then I'll mount the whole thing to the mill. I'll bring you back again to show some of that. Okay, here's everything mounted up. I spared you all the drilling and tapping into the column of the mill here, but here's my light switch, conveniently located, I hope, back here. So I think that's going to help me out quite a bit. Hope you found this interesting, and I'll check back in again soon with the next project. Thanks for watching.